Welcome friends. In my new video, we are going to learn chapter number 4, change of profit sharing ratio amongst existing partners, part 2. Accounting treatment for reserves, accumulated profit and losses. There are two types. First, when reserves are distributed in partners. Second, when reserves are kept in books or retained. First, when reserves are distributed between the partners. In this, you have to distribute it into the old partners in old ratio. We are going to transfer the reserves and accumulated profits. From liability side, we are going to pass the entry all reserves account debit to partners capital or current account. The amount will be distributed in the old ratio. It should be noted that general reserve or anything we have to distribute in old ratio. The transfer of accumulated losses, generally we see profit and loss etc. on the asset side. The entry will be partners capital or current account debit to accumulated losses account in old ratio. Treatment of workman's compensation reserve, we have to compare the reserves and claim. Case first, when there is no information about claim or there is no claim, we are going to pass entry workman compensation reserve account debit to partners capital or current account in old ratio. When there is less claim compared to reserve, we are going to pass the entry workman compensation reserve account debit to provision for workman compensation claim with the claim amount to partners capital or current account balancing figure, which we are going to distribute in the old ratio in old partners. Point number 3, when workman compensation reserve is equal to the claim amount. That means both the things are same. Entry will be workman compensation reserve account debit, the provision for workman compensation claim. As the claim and the reserves are same, there is no balance available for distribution among the partners and therefore it is not distributed between the partners. Now case number 4, when the claim amount is more than the reserve, first entry will be workman compensation reserve account debit, that is full utilization of reserve. The remaining amount will be taken from revaluation account. So revaluation account debit to provision for workman compensation claim account. Now the loss will be distributed between the partners. So partners capital or current account debit to revaluation account in old ratio. Now we move to next, treatment of investment fluctuation reserve. We are going to compare the book value and market value of investment. The difference amount will be treated as provision for workman compensation claim, same as. Okay, when there is no information about market value of investment or there is no change in the value, we are going to have the entry investment fluctuation reserve account debit to partners capital or current account in old ratio. This amount will be distributed. Case 2, when the change in the market value and the book value is less than investment fluctuation reserve, the entry will be investment fluctuation reserve account debit to investment to partners capital or current account in old ratio. Case number 3, when change in the market value and the book value is equal to the investment fluctuation reserve account, investment fluctuation reserve account debit to investment account, equal amount will be there. Case number 4, when the change in the market value and the book value is more than the reserves, investment fluctuation reserve account debit, revaluation account debit to investment, the loss will be distributed between the partners. So partners capital or current account debit to revaluation account. Second one is when reserves are kept in the books or not distributed between the partners. Step 1, calculate gaining or sacrificing ratio. Gaining ratio equals to new ratio minus old ratio. Sacrificing ratio equals to old ratio minus new ratio. It should be noted that gaining ratio is always equals to sacrificing ratio. If I am going to give 10 rupees to any person, he is going to receive 10, he is going to gain, and I am going to sacrifice rupees 10. Both are equal. Now we move to case number 2. Step number 2, find out the amount of actual gain or sacrifice of partners. Amount equals to total adjusted amount into his gaining or sacrificing share. It should be noted here that the share will be taken with denominators. We have to take total share fully with denominator. Okay, now we move to step number 3. we are going to pass the entry with the amount gaining partner's capital or current account debit to sacrificing partner's capital or current account. This is the treatment of reserve. Now please like the video, share the video and subscribe my video.